Hey guys, welcome back to another Spit adventure. My name is Tommy, and we're going to be working on the Sequoia today. This is something I've wanted for a while for my Sequoia. This is a OEM genuine skip plate for the first gen Sequoia. I already unboxed a little bit. It comes with the mounting bracket on both sides, some hardware, and of course the skip plate itself. This thing looks really nice, and I think it's made out of aluminum. It's not a really functional piece. It's more like an aesthetic piece that goes on the bottom of the bumper, and I'm pretty excited to throw it on. This is the part number for the skip plate, and I paid roughly 90 bucks for it because the dealership that I bought this from has a discount, so it was a pretty good deal. This also comes with instruction, and it should be pretty simple and straightforward to get this installed. First, we need to remove the two 17mm bolts for the tie down. There are two on each side. This is the driver's side, and this is the passenger side. And this one actually has a tow hook. So we're gonna remove those. This is how it looks after you have the tie down and tie down with the tow hook removed. Next, you want to grab the left hand bracket, it says here, and the right hand bracket, and you want to stack them. You want to stack them like so. The hole should line up with the tie down here, and also you want to put the washers here. These are the provided washers. Same thing on the other side. This hole should line up. Let me pull it up. This hole should line up, and you want to put the washers on the top. You just want to loosely tighten it. Don't want to snug it too much, so you have some room for it to move around when you put the skip plate on, and then we can tighten everything up after. Next, we're gonna secure the skip plate to the bracket here using these provided M12 bolts. So the instruction says we should hand tight the bolts and make sure the gap between the bumper and the skip plate is 7mm. So we're gonna check that. Yeah, we about at least that amount of gap, so the skip plate doesn't rub onto the bumper. And last but not least, you want to torque the bolts, the torque bolts to 90 foot-pounds, and also the full M12 flange bolts to the skid plate at 20 foot-pounds. This was a really simple install for my Sequoia, and I really like the quality and the fact that it is a genuine Toyota accessory parts. So if you guys have any questions or comments about the skip plate, be sure to drop them in the comment section. Thank you for watching and follow us for more spec geek adventure. Bye!